Nykaa's quarter 4 earnings. Let's see what those numbers look like. Mostly inline set of numbers. A miss coming in on the net profit front. Beauty and personal care segment has disappointed, and fashion net loss has widened on a year-on-year basis. If you take a look at the numbers on the consolidated year-on-year basis, revenue has come in at 2,062 crores, which is up 23.6%. Net profit at 20 crore compared to 7 crores, so it's quite the jump coming in, but still under what the street was estimating. EBITDA has come in at 133 crores, which is up 43% year-on-year. EBITDA margins have seen quite the sharp uptick at 6.5% compared to 5.6% on a year-on-year basis. Overall, GMV, which is the gross merchandise value growth, was 27% on a year-on-year basis. The street was estimating 24%, so healthy GMV move coming in for Nykaa. Segmentally, BPC for the BPC revenue, that's beauty and personal care revenue, has grown by only 25%, which is a miss against street estimate of 41% growth coming in, so big miss on that front. GMV has come in at 3,058 crores, up 31% year-on-year. Street was estimating a 43% uptick, so miss once again. Net profit has come in at 103.6 crores, which is up 40.5% year-on-year. 50 stores were added in FY25. For fashion, revenue has come in at 161 crores, in line with our estimate. Net loss this time around has widened to 36.5 crores from 29 crores this time last year. So that is a negative weighing on the fashion segment. And GMV has come in at 1,037 crores, which is a miss because we were expecting a 34% uptick. This is just an 18% uptick on a year-on-year basis. Now, quick updates. Nykaa has received NCLT approval to merge LBB into the company, and they've announced the demerger of their eB2B business as well. If you talk about their con call highlights, they've said that they have reached $1.8 billion of GMV across platforms. More launches are on the way. Dot & Key has grown 14x since expansion, but since acquisition. But they're also saying that marketing costs have been high, and they will continue to be high because Nykaa is a relatively new brand. So that's a lowdown on Nykaa's quarter 4 numbers, largely in line, miss coming in on PAT.